data protection ship owner. Many competitors on the European waters with the European flag have different nationalities, but none of them are in compliance with the European data protection. I wonder how all this is mixed. Is there a huge conflict of interest? Is there a huge discrimination? Is there a huge inequality? Because we, under European waters, we do comply with data protection. Many asking what is European data protection. Go and find yourself, dear ship owner, because it could be a risk tomorrow. Or find a crew management supplier that has a huge database, 200,000 seafarers around the areas of Europe, the waters of Europe, that have this compliance crews and data protection. Why? Because we are all now thinking about this Anthropic and this different AI. And now this cloud, is it within European cloud, or is it that anytime America can take over this data, this confidential information about what is your address, what is your appraisal, for example, and are you in compliance? Well, if you're not in compliance and you know that your supplier now is from not European waters, so they're not used to this because it really needs to have really a surgeon operator to comply with this European data protection, then please contact us, because then you will be in the safe area. Who knows what is going to happen with the data, but with this AI, we know that it's going to go to the cloud. That's very clear. And where is this cloud going to reign? Is it in the Americas or in the data? Well, then it does not comply with the data protection. So, what are these companies going to use AI? How are we going to, the business entrepreneurs and ship owners, going to use the confidential appraisals and the home address and so on? How are we going to manage this? Just contact Candina, because it seems very, very easy. Yes, indeed it is, to comply with European legislation. Therefore, if you don't have this European supplier for your good European trade waters and European flag, contact Candina to be in a compliance. Thank you. Bye.